This is a $10 toy claw. Now this is the industry standard tool used in neurosurgeries all around the world. Don't they seem similar? Well, in order to perform a neurosurgery, multiple surgeons are expected to simultaneously move these rigid tools through complex spaces within a patient's head. On top of that, since they insert these tools into tiny incisions, it becomes extremely difficult for them to see what they are doing. These problems compound to make neurosurgeries harder than they need to be, and that's where we come in. We are developing robots that allow neurosurgeons to perform their operations more efficiently and organically. Currently, we have a prototype that is capable of bending around the brain, which allows the surgeon to navigate the skull without disrupting neighboring tissues. Since the surgeon is currently restricted to a single camera view, their visibility is low. To solve this, we made a 3D visualization program that enhances the visibility of the entire operation. Now, during a procedure, the robot will be mounted at the side of the patient's head and will act as an extension of the surgeon. The visualization program will assist with visibility as the brain is not exposed during a real operation. Together, the robot and visualization program create innovative solutions to problems found in modern neurosurgery. To commercialize our solution, we will be selling our robot as a one-time purchase to the hospitals and the tool arms as consumables, as it is standard practice for them to be thrown out after every operation. Now, to help us transform our prototype into a medically licensed product, we have partnered with Sick Kids Hospital. We are being advised by their head of surgery, Dr. James Drake, who will be telling us what surgeons will want in a tool and what regulations we must comply with. Furthermore, we are working with their biomedical engineering lab, named Sigidi. They have experience developing surgical tools and bringing them to market. As of 2017, the global surgical robotics market was valued at $56 billion and is expected to reach $99 billion by the end of 2024. The big companies in the industry are Intuitive Surgical, Stryker, and Mazar Robotics. Since we are targeting neurosurgeries, we can coexist with these companies as they have not yet explored this sector. This is because their technologies aren't easily transferable and their robots are too big for applications in neurosurgery. This gap in the market inspired us to start our company in August of 2018. We began our first prototype in September. Now that we have built it, we will continue validating its functionality until the end of the year. With the $5,000, we will be capable of building our second prototype, which will have increased mobility and comply to more regulations. By the end of 2019, we will be performing dummy surgeries on brain and skull mock-ups, taking us one step closer to clinical trials. Our team has experience working in the fields of surgical tool design, robotics engineering, and computer graphics. Alongside Sick Kids, we hope to make an impact on both the world and the industry. We are Embedded Medical Systems, and we are operating with the future in mind. Thank you.